Okay, today we're going to be looking at variables and expressions. So a variable is letters or numbers that are in an equation or an expression that can be replaced by a value. So for example, 5 plus y equals 20. So our variable is y. It's the letter or symbol that's used. So an equation is a problem with an equal sign. So the value of the variable in the equation is a specific value that makes the equation true. Okay, so for example, we had 4t plus 2 equals 14. So remember, if there's a number and a letter right next to each other, that means multiplication. So 4 times t plus 2, so it'd be 4 times 3 in this example is 12 plus 2 equals 14. Just like we have over here. Okay. All right, so an expression is an equation that's without the equal sign, so that any value can be put in the place of the variable, such as 4a, which remember is 4 times a, or 5 minus t. So any value could be put in a, and will be getting the expression would give you a different answer. So let's look at some examples. In the equation, if we have, okay, sorry about that. Let's look at these practices now. So if we have an equation, so we have 3 times r, which equals 21, where r is 7. So you do, remember the letter next to a number is multiplication, so 3 times r equals 21, so r is 7. So remember, we figured that out by doing the opposite operation to undo the 3 times r, so you do 21 divided by 3. All right, same thing, come on down here. If we look at these, and we've got h, remember fraction bar means division, so h divided by 4 plus 2 equals 11. So then you're going to work backwards. So you're going to do the things that are furthest away from your variable first. So you would do the inverse operation, so not plus 2 but minus 2, which would give you 9. And remember, because whatever you do on this side of the equation, it says they're equal, so you have to do the same thing on this side of the equation. So then you would do not divided by 4, but times 4. So it'd be 9 times 4, which gives you 36. Okay, we're going to get into order of operation and all that later on. We just wanted to kind of talk about equations, expressions, and variables right now, but just throw a little hint at you. So then you have expressions. So you have j minus 3. If j is 4, then the answer would be 1, because it'd be 4 minus 3. If j is 7, then it'd be 7 minus 3, so the answer is 4. And then if j is 54, it'd be 54 minus 3, so the answer would be 51. Okay, then down here we have 5 times v. Remember, the letter next to a number is multiplication. So if v is 5, then it's 5 times 5, which is 25. If v is 7, then it's 5 times 7, which is 35. Okay, don't forget tomorrow to bring in your words and definitions for variable and expressions for us to add to our math journal. You don't need to worry about equations. That's one we've already noticed. It's just helpful to kind of revisit it to help to explain expressions a little easier. All right, don't forget to bring those in tomorrow.